Everyone on social media is talking about this new vending machine side hustle. Buy a machine, stock it, and then collect money. But getting the location and convincing a business owner to share their space, that part never actually makes it into the TikTok. Because the machine sitting in your garage makes $0. So here's the actual play. You find a local business, a gym, an auto shop, an office building. You walk in and you pitch them on letting you place a machine. They pay nothing while you handle everything. They just collect a cut of the revenue. It's a genuinely good deal for them, and most business owners know it. Now you're probably thinking, okay, the pitch is the hardest part, but it's not. Most business owners will hear you out. The part that kills the deal is what happens after. You say, I'll send you something, so you send a text or a half-ass email, or worse, nothing at all. And just like that, a warm conversation goes cold. And this side hustle is super real, by the way. People are getting into this for under $2,000 and scaling it. One operator turned a $2,000 investment into $360,000 a year. But the ones that are scaling it and making actual money aren't the ones that are just finding machines. They're running it like a business, and that starts with what you send. So this is what I want to show you today, a tool called Venngage, and specifically their AI proposal generator. Here's the scenario. You just walked out of a gym, the manager said, yeah, send me something. You've got one shot to look like a real operation. So I go to Venngage, specifically the AI proposal generator, and I type one prompt. A vending machine placement proposal for a local gym, covering revenue share terms, machine specs, restocking schedule, and why the arrangement is at zero risk for the location owner. That's it, one sentence, and watch what comes out. Okay, so let me show you what we've actually got here. We have a cover page, it looks super clean, an introduction section that already frames this as a zero-risk partnership, and this is the part I want you to pay attention to. It didn't just make something that looks professional, it made something that reads professional as well. Machine specs, restocking schedule, revenue share terms, 15% commission, paid monthly, zero rental fees, zero installation costs, zero hidden charges. This is exactly what a gym owner needs to see in order to say yes. And then this section, why partner with us, member satisfaction, passive revenue, zero liability. It's already thought through the objections that they're going to have before you even walk back in. Okay, so gym owners or even just business owners are busy. They've heard pitches before, but a polished stock keeps selling when you leave the room. The difference between a yes and a let me think about it is usually just how serious you look on paper, and this isn't about being fancy, it's about looking like someone who's done this before. And the output already handles the hardest part, the objections. Okay, so now you have your proposal, but you need to customize it to match your own pitch. Everything you just saw is fully editable inside of Venngage. Swap in your business name, adjust the revenue split, rewrite the intro, all of it without leaving the tool. Okay, wait, I want to back up for a second because this isn't just an exclusively vending machine video. This AI proposal generator works for anything. Client engagement, freelance scope, brand partnership, anytime you need to send something that makes you look like you've done that before. The vending machine thing just happens to be what a lot of people are doing right now and something that I'm recommending maybe you look into. If you want to try it, the link will be in the description below. Your first proposal is free, and if you want to upgrade, use the code on the screen for 50% off any paid plan. Drop a comment below. Are you running a vending machine business or thinking about it? What's your strategy for landing locations? I'd love to know below. Subscribe to the Make or Thrive channel so you don't miss any new videos from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.